So in this video, I'll try to show you most typical and most common stuff when we try to redesign it, but very similar. Yeah, like something very similar because we already have almost approved the design, so we don't need to reimagine it so hard, but we want to play around, like to get a similar design, but not so different. And what do we do here? We use one simple prompt: reimagine the architecture of the building, similar architecture style, similar materials. And it works, it's fine for me, and I'm receiving quite interesting results. You can also build this prompt to get more precise results or more different. So I am selecting with the left click of mouse my source image and using this prompt: reimagine the architecture of the building, similar architecture styles, similar materials. NanoBanana Pro 2K original as always, and just click make. I am clicking make like 4 or 5 times because I want to see and want to show you more ideas, more designs, and let's simply check it. So while we are waiting, I would also be glad to discuss with you the next level of the prompting, the next level of the details we are presenting. And we will talk about drawing on image, like simply what we want to do. We will try to add this pool. I'll use exactly the same prompt, so I'm just copy pasting this prompt, simply selecting my image with the result. You can also do it, you will receive this file under the project, under the video tutorial. So I'm clicking Ctrl+C, my prompt is copied, and now what I'm doing, I can simply paste it here. Add a, wrong, I haven't copied it, let's do it again. So selecting the image, selecting my text, Ctrl+C a few times, and selecting my source image. Okay, so what do we have here? Add a glass infinity pool in a selected red area. Don't show red lines on the image. It's negative prompt. As you know, sometimes NanoBanana is leaving our selected areas. I'm clicking this button enlarge here, and I'm drawing, all images, and I'm drawing where this red area should be. And let's draw a red area. I want a pool here. Yeah, of course, remember that AI will listen your red line, but of course it will try to understand the context, so it can be moved a little bit left or right. And simply I'm clicking make few times. I think 3-4 times I'll need, because I want to select the best result and show you the difference, how AI tried to understand your prompt. And let's wait a second. Yeah, and while we are waiting, we can discuss with you this prompt about reimagining the architecture. So it's a simple prompt: reimagine the architecture, but similar architecture style and similar materials. And what do we have here? We have really similar style, but different. Yeah, like it's very similar, but different. So generally you can discuss with your client, boss, or investor, or your followers, like it's really similar, but different. And that's the best of AI power, that we don't need to spend thousands of hours for redesigning the idea. Now we can just find the best direction, work with this direction. Yeah. And also please check the details of the environment. It's almost the same. Like we have similar trees, we have similar stones, everything is very similar, similar materials, wood, like even the light inside. So the mood of those images is very similar, but different. And this is the best AI solution for us when we talk about when we try to find any new ideas. I mean that before AI era, I was simply researching our daily Pinterest, Instagram, and many other tools, and I was spending a lot of time, and it's like time consuming, and you're like 90% of the stuff you're watching you don't like. And here you have a full control, what inspiration, what idea you want to find, and AI will really help you a lot. Let's check the results. So what do we have here with our pool? Also, let's compare, right click, compare A, right click, compare B, button enlarge, and let's check the details. Everything is perfect. Yeah, our pool is finishing exactly at this place I mentioned, but it's making us a new block of concrete. Maybe it's smart, maybe no. Of course, you can also see that here we have no pool. We have here some balcony option, some terrace option, but as I mentioned, AI is trying to help you and trying to predict how this area can look like. So yeah, here's water falling out. It's quite cool, quite creative, so I'll not change it. And as you see, my favorite part, everything is untouched. Stones here, everything. concrete texture, everything, literally each tree, each leaf is on the right place. But now we have a pool, so it's very cool, it's very fast, and now you know a little bit more how you can present your architecture. Let's select the best one. Here we have a pouring water. Here we have the cleanest, I think the best idea, because we have a pool. It's exactly on the place I mentioned. Here we have a similar one, but here we have a wood section, so I love it. And here we have something like empty pool with here some gap. So, generally this is the winner for me. And I'll use it for next generations. What do we want to do with that? So the next stage, what I want to do with that, I was here playing with different options, and let's try to make underground garage. So I'm selecting my prompt. You can simply reimagine by AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, or any other chats. You can find some inspirations, or you can just think, what do you want to show? So I'm selecting my image. I'm selecting this prompt, clicking Ctrl V, and what do we have here? Add garage under the house. Black Aston Martin from 007 Bond film. Sorry, I'm a big fan of this car. It's standing on the concrete floor in front of a garage. Make this part similar architecture style and materials. As you know, this prompt works good, so I'm using part of my previous prompt in my new prompt. And I know that I should paste don't show red lines in the final image. And I'll also inform AI that garage is under the first floor, redesign the terrain in the front house, because for us, it's obvious that we will change the terrain and make it on the underground level, but for the AI, it's not so obvious. So I'm clicking this button enlarge, and now I'll try to draw where I want to do it. So I'm clicking the button draw, I'm removing all information, selecting pen, and I'm simply drawing that it should be somewhere here. Yeah, this will be the garage section, and I'm clicking make. I'm clicking this button 3-4 times to show you how different AI thinking is. Please remember, when we talk about reimagination, it's creative, and it's you just need to give it a try. Like, you need to give AI a few to give AI fields for tests, and you'll receive something really interesting. And while we are waiting, let's see how the idea generation we had. So firstly, I was adding a pool, then I added some information about garage, then we'll add some third floor, quite interesting. Then I'm changing materials to some marble, because I'm not a big fan of this dirty concrete. Let's change it to white marble. And here we had a quite interesting topic about upscaling the image. It will be at the end of this tutorial blog, so wait a while and you will see more details about that. So hope our generations are finished, and let's check how it's going. So yeah, at this moment, all of them are quite problematic. I am unhappy with the results. And I had the similar problem before. So we can try to draw it again. We can try to draw it somewhere here to take a bigger section. And I can simply hit make a few times. Because remember, as I mentioned, AI is only a child, and it's like very fresh technology. So time to time you can get results you don't want to get. Yeah, as you see, all my results are bad. So yeah, it's an interesting case. I'll put it in our problem blog here, and I'll be glad to explain you more how we can do it, how we can change it. While we are waiting, I'll also try to change the direction, and maybe now we'll add a third floor. And later we'll come back to our garage. So I'll use my prompt, add extra floor in a similar style in selected area. Don't show red line on the final image. It's like quite similar, quite simple. So I'm selecting it. I'm pasting here by Ctrl V my prompt. Okay, we have some results. Okay, yeah, the 5th try is okay. So now I'll work on this image, or maybe wait a second and let's see results here. But this is okay. Like, I like it. Generally, I like it and I can use it. So I'm clicking enlarge button here, selecting my draw, removing here old information and drawing again. So I want a third floor somewhere here. Yeah. And I'm simply pasting information that with Ctrl V, add extra floor in a similar style in the selected area. Don't show a red line on a final image, because sometimes it's showing me those red regions. And I'm clicking make. Of course, I'm clicking make a few times to show you the problems and the ideas, how AI can give you different imagination, how this prompt with this area can look like. Okay. Okay, let's wait a while. Okay, so what do we see here? It's also a bad result. Like it's redesigned completely the wrong place. So I'll remove it. And we can try to use also this prompt without any information about red area. Yeah, I will not draw anything. I'll click enlarge. I'm select draw and remove any information about drawing. Click enlarge again and simply try to prompt it. Add a garage under a house. Okay, okay, make a similar architecture. Don't show. Okay. Okay, like I'm not selecting anything, just trying to explain AI that I want underground garage, and let's see how it will go. Okay, and let's check the third floor. So this one is too big. This one is like really good. I was mentioning this part of the building. This one is quite typical problem. I'll move it to our problem section, so we'll discuss it at the end. This one is quite interesting reimagination. How can it look like? I'll definitely leave it. This one is also interesting, but I don't think it's needed, so I'll delete it. It's also similar to our other ideas. So the clearest idea of mine was this one. So now I have third floor, I have a pool, everything is okay. This one is also good, like quite untypical. So generally I have now 3 ideas how third floor can look like. And now we can simply change something in those interiors, like replace the concrete to the black marble big tiles. And let's see how it will go. As always, I'm clicking make few times to show you how what AI can offer you. And while we are waiting, let's see, was it better to not show any information about the building? So yeah, it's quite interesting and quite problematic, as you see. So I'll simply remove it with the delete button. And yeah, at this moment, AI is giving you a lot of problems, but feel free to test it. Feel free to play around and you'll find the best possible solution for you. And now let's wait a little bit about material changes here. And we can also add something interesting. I was also trying to play around with architecture here. But you can really do anything you wish. So it will be the finish of this tutorial. And now you can compare our source image. Right click of the mouse, compare A. Right click of the mouse, compare B. And here I'm hitting enlarge. And what do we have? It's like huge improvement. And now we've received like quite new architecture, but very similar in a few seconds, in a few generations, and it looks really good. So at the end, I would be glad to show you in the next tutorial information about image degradation. It's very popular. I'll show you it here and you will see what I'm talking about. So as you see, after many iterations, your leaves are looking bad. Leaves, textures, trees, everything, even the sky will look bad. It has a lot of pixels, it's unclear, but no worries, I'll be glad to explain you and show you a few tips and tricks how we can fix it. As you see, it's a fixed option. The sky is clean, greenery is perfect, everything is perfect. Our trees, our leaves are perfect again, textures, everything looks very, very good. So it will be a topic of the next tutorial, and see you then. Bye.